Hello, estate owners. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla, and today we are here at One Central, Makati, located here in Hilfuyat Avenue, HP de la Costa Street, inside Salcedo Village. So the good thing about this project, it's its location. So walking distance from Makati Med and RCBC Plaza. So it's inside Makati Business District. So let's start. So this unit is a one-bedroom unit, 56 square meters. And upon entering to the unit, you will be greeted by your dining area. So here is your dining area. So approximate is 4 seaters. We have your lights here. And of course, we have your sofa here. Yan. So the location for your television and aircon is included na rin in your unit. So on this part, have the view of the HP de la Costa Street and Ayala Avenue. Yan. So we have floor-to-ceiling glass. And over here, so proceeding to your bedroom. So here is your bedroom. So you have your own toilet and bath inside your bedroom. So here is your toilet and bath. We have bathtub, shower, and toilet with its provision for the bidet and your sink. And of course, your mirror. And at the back of your door is the built-in cabinet. All right. And over here, we have also your aircon and your bed. And of course, we have also here your cabinet. So, kung may mga bags or like clothes, pwede nyo pang ilagay dyan sa taas. And of course, you have the same view here. So, you have the view of the HP de la Costa and the amenity area or the pool. Ayan. So, and right here, we're going to proceed in your kitchen area. So, here is your kitchen area. So we have here your granite countertop, sink, counter, and overhead cabinets. And we have here your range hood and 2-burner cooktop. We also have here your oven and refrigerator. And take note, kahit na 1-bedroom siya, we also have maid's room. And here is the location of your washer and dryer. And take note, we also have another toilet and bath here in your utility area or maid's room. So if you have questions, so we offer rent-to-own terms here in One Central. And we also have still available units here like 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, or penthouse units. So if you have more inquiries or if you want to know more about this unit, just message me on the details shown on your screen here. So that's the end of our tour. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. Thank you for watching. Bye!